model, 2016 Nissan Nv200 Tekna 1.5 Dci 89Ps. Very tidy, well looked after van, full MOT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 117271. MOT, the 13th of July 2025. Engine, 1461 cc K9 bhp, E5D. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Pulls well through all gears with no lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable with color-coded bumpers. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy and looks virtually unused. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after, ready to go and make you money.